Hello, Girl Scouts of Greater South Texas. I hope you're ready for some more virtual fun. Let's get started with the Girl Scout Promise and the Girl Scout Law. If you don't know the promise or law, you can repeat after me, but if you do know it, definitely say it with me. So let's raise our right hand, pinky goes down, thumb goes over our pinky, and we'll do the Girl Scout Promise first. On my honor, I will try to serve God and my country, to help people at all times, and to live by the Girl Scout Law. Now let's say the Girl Scout Law. I will do my best to be honest and fair, friendly and helpful, considerate and caring, courageous and strong, and responsible for what I say and do. And to respect myself and others, respect authority, use resources wisely, make the world a better place, and be a sister to every Girl Scout. Now let's have some fun!
Most of us know that bees live in a beehive, or more accurately, a honeycomb. A honeycomb is a packed group of hexagon-shaped cells made from beeswax, a substance the worker bees secrete from special glands in their body.
All bees are important pollinators, but some bees can be aggressive, so be careful. Watch this outdoor report with Richard Moore to learn more.
This abandoned pack rat nest at the base of a weathered mesquite conceals a colony of wild bees in the ranch country of southernmost Texas. Numerous honeycombs hang from the trunk and extend beneath the ground, where thousands of bees thrive. This hive, like nearly all the wild beehives in the Rio Grande Valley, are Africanized bees, since the aggressive species first migrated from South America, arriving in Hidalgo, Texas in 1990. Valley beekeepers Glenn Simpson, Dawn Johnston, and their daughter are donning their protective bee suits here at Cactus Creek Ranch, east of Rio Hondo.
Today what we're going to do is we're going to remove a feral hive of bees.
The protective gear is necessary as the Africanized bees, known as killer bees, can be very aggressive. Attacking swarms of them have killed people and animals. However, these beekeepers are experts, and with practiced technique, they will gradually smoke out the bees from their lair, gently vacuum up more aggressive guard bees, and then relocate the entire hive into a box for transportation.
Hello, my name is Nicole, and I'm going to teach you how to make a model of a honeycomb using some simple things you may probably have around your house. We are going to use a paper towel roll, a pen or pencil, a ruler, and glue. I choose hot glue because it dries quickly, but if you do not have hot glue, you can use regular glue, and you will also need paper clips. So the first thing you want to do is to take your paper towel roll, make it this way, and divide it into thirds. So we're going to draw two big lines along here to divide it into equal parts. The next thing you're going to do is to flip it horizontally, and every 2 centimeters you're going to draw a tick mark and a line going up. What we're going to do is create a grid. So we should have something that looks similar to this when it is completed. Now what we're going to do is we are going to cut along these lines where we did the 2 centimeter markings to create a series of little rings. So once we cut all them out, we should have a series of rings that look like this with our markings still on them. Now we are going to fold along the lines that we have created along here, and we can fold them in a Z pattern or just fold them in any shape you want. Really, really press them hard when you fold them. That way they have good creases on them. When you take it apart, you should have a hexagon shape similar to this. Once we create a series of hexagons, we can begin to glue them together. I used hot glue because it dries quickly. So once we have glued all of our hexagon shapes together, we can create this final product, which is a model of a honeycomb.
Wow, that was a lot of interesting information. I can't wait to learn more about bugs with you. We'll see you soon, sisters.